How to make a private story on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually make a private story on Snapchat. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure you have updated the Snapchat app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you have updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. Now what you have to do is, in order to create a private story, just tap on the Bitmoji profile on the very top left of the screen. Now whenever you want to add a normal story, by the way, you could tap on add to my story to create a normal story so that everybody on your friends list will be able to view it. But if you want to create a private story, then just tap on this little new story button which you see right above the my story section. So tap on new story button over here, and at the bottom you'll see two options, new private story or new shared story. Just tap on the new private story button, which is only visible to specific friends. Once you select new private story, you want to select a list of people whom you want to add to this particular private story. Once you select them, all you have to do is to simply tap on the create story button. Now you can also go ahead and simply rename this particular story. I will simply leave it to my private story and tap on the save button. Once I tap on save, now you can see we have two stories. One is the normal story and another is private story. To add to our private story, just tap on this add button and select your snap, select your video, go ahead and take a snap, do whatever you want. Once you've done so, all you have to do is tap on the send button or tap to add friends or save or anything else you want to do in order to upload it to your private story. This is how you can make a private story on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.